Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a door trim. I fitted the grey laminate down about 2 days ago, but they can't shut the door with the door bar in place. It's just, as you can see, it's just really low. So what I like to do, just to mark the door, find out your height. I usually put this blue masking tape over the door, just protects it a little bit when you're cutting it and marking it. Once you've got your height, mark your height down. Double check everything just to make sure you ain't going to be cutting off. It's alright cutting off not enough, but you don't want to be cutting off too much. That's it, and then take your door off. This was a bit of a pain, this door. It ended up to be flathead screws, which is always awkward. Right, once it's out of your van, this is my door rail. It's just a standard 1000mm Makita rail. It's got special little brackets like vices that hold it in place. You can use this, like I say, to cut the door when it's actually hanging, but I never had enough clearance on this particular job, so that's why I took the door off. I'm going to use the Makita XGT 40V plunge saw. Fantastic tool. You can't beat these 40V tools. Anyway, enjoy the video, guys. If you don't mind leaving us a like and a comment if you've got any comments to make, and enjoy the video. Cheers.